Hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 8. Yes, dividing the sum of given below numbers by their multiplication gives. Okay, so here you can see three numbers are there 7 by 8, 15 by 4, and 1 by 12. Okay, so we have to first find out the sum of these numbers, then the multiplication of these numbers. Okay, and we have to divide the sum with their multiplication. Okay, so let us do. First, the given numbers are 7 by 8, 15 by 4, and 1 by 12. Okay. And to find out the sum, you can see in the denominators, all the numbers are in the different numbers. Okay. So we have to find out the LCM of 8, 4, and 12. 8, 4, and 12. The LCM of 8 and 4, 8, 4, and 12 is given by 24. Okay. So here we will get, after when we take the LCM, the numbers will become 21 by 24, 15 by 24 into 4. Okay, that is 15 by 15 into that we have to do here. Give it a second. 15 by 4 is our number. So here 21 by 24, this will become 90 by 24, and the next number 1 by 24 will, 1 by 12 will become 2 by 24. Okay, these are the three numbers. So when we take the addition of these three numbers, we will get 113 by 24. Okay, we have to just add the numerator only. Okay, this is what is the addition. Next, when we multiply these three numbers, 7 by 8 into 15 by 4 into 1 by 12, when we take the multiplication, just add the numerator and just multiply the numerator with and denominator. 7 into 1 divided by 8 into 4 into 12. Okay, so which is equal to 7 into 15 we have 105, and 8 into 4 into 12 we have 384. Okay, so which is equal to given by, now we get the addition and multiplication. We have to divide the sum with their multiplication. So 113 by 24 divided by 105 divided by 384. Okay, so which is equal to 113 by 24 into, we have to take the reciprocal, 384 divided by 105. So this will cancel for 16 times. Okay, so 113 into 16 is 1808 divided by 105. So here we get the normal fraction. Here most of this normal fraction is not matching B. So all the other fractions are in mixed fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So 1808 divided by 105, when we convert into mixed fraction, we will get 1723 by 105. This is what is our answer. The correct option is option D. Next question, if 4 by 15 the whole cube into 4 by 15 the whole raised to minus 6 is equal to 4 by 15 the whole raised to 2x plus 1, then we have to find out the value of x square plus 2x plus 1. Here you can see in the question, this is in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. Okay, this is, so we can solve like this. So here this is a and this is also a, here this is m and this is n. So we have the formula identity, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this we can write it as 4 by 15 the whole raised to m plus n. Okay, so that is 3 plus minus 6, which is equal to 4 by 15 the whole raised to 3 plus minus 6, that is equal to minus 3. So we get 4 by 15 the whole raised to minus 3 is equal to 4 by 15 the whole raised to 2x plus 1, or which is equal to, here this one is equal to this one, means what, minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 1, or 2x is equal to minus 3 minus 1, or x is equal to 2x is equal to minus 4, or x is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. So here we get the value of x is equal to minus 2. We have to substitute this value in this. So here x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to, this will become, when we give the value of 2, minus 2 the whole square plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. So which is equal to 4 minus 4. 2 into minus 2, that is 4 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1 only. So the value is 1. Correct option is option B, that is 1. Next question, find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 24, 48, 72 and 60. So first what we have to do, we have to find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by these numbers, that is 24, 48, 72 and 60. 48, sorry, yes, 24, 48, 72 and 60. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to first find out the prime factorization. So when we do the prime factorization of 24, we have 2 3 times, and 2 cube into 3 1 times, and 48 it is 2, it will go 4 times and 3 1 times, and 72 it is 2 3 times and 3 2 times. Okay, and about 60 it is 2 square, 2 times into 3 into 1 into 5 raised to 1. This is what is the prime factorization of these numbers. So here you can see all the highest power of 2. Highest power of 2 is 2 raised to 4 from 48, and highest power of 3 is 3 square from 72, and highest power of 5 is 5 raised to 1 from 60. So 5 raised to 1. So here we have to multiply 2 raised to 4, 16 into 9 into 5, which is equal to 144 into 5, which is equal to 720. So this is what is our LCM. LCM of these numbers is 720. So for one condition is that to make it a perfect square, all the exponents in the should be even only. Here you can see, when you notice, all the exponents here 4 and 2 is even, but here 1 is not even. So make it even. 5 raised to 2, this is even only. So what we have to multiply here? We have to multiply it with 5. So this will become what? 5 raised to 2. Okay. So here we have to multiply 720 into 5 to make, if it is even, then it will become a perfect square number. Okay. So 720 into 5 we can do here. So this will become 3600. Now you can see 3660. Okay. 60 into 60. 3000 root of 3600 is 60 only. So this is a small square number. So we can say that the perfect square number which is exactly divisible by all these numbers is 3600. The correct option is option C, 3600. Next question. If so, four the options are here. We have to check it and answer, and which one will be equal, that we have to choose. First one, 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. 3 by 4, 5 by 6. And second one, we have 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. And third one, we have 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. And fourth one is 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. 5 divided by 6 is in the bracket. So here we have to find out each and every one, and we have to say which one is equal. Okay. So in the first case, when we can, so here 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6. When we take it, will we have to take the reciprocal. So 5 by 6 will become 6 by 5, which is equal to 6 3s are 18 by 20. So 18 is, which is equal to 9 2s are 18 and 10 2s are 20, 2 times. So 9 by 10 is the answer of first one. Second one, 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. Okay. So first we will do 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. So we can do 3 into 5 by 4. This will become reciprocal, divided by 4 divided by 6. So 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. 15 by 4 divided by 6. This divided by 6, when we take into the upper side, it will become the reciprocal into 1 by 6. So which is equal to 15 by, which is equal to 15 by 24, and that is equal to 5. 5 3s are 15, and 3 times it will go 5, and here 8 3s are 24. Next case, 3 divided by 4 divided by 5. Okay, this is same as that of, here you can see the bracket is here. Okay, in this case only, in this case also, 3 into 5 by 4, you have to do like this, same only, which is equal to 15 by 4 into, this will become 1 by 6. We have to take the reciprocal. So this will become 15 by 24, and which is equal to, when we simplify, we will get 5 by 8. And the last one, that is 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6. In this case, first we will take the 3 divided by 4, and the 5 divided by 6 will become what? First, we will take this 5 divided by 6 will become 6 divided by 5. When we take to the upper side, we have to take the reciprocal here. So, which is equal to 3 divided by 4 will become 3 divided by 4 into 6 by 5. So, which is equal to 6 3s are 18, 5 into 4, 20. 18 by 20. When we simplify, 9 by 10 we will get. Here you can see the first one option and last one is same, and the second one and third one is same. So here you can see B option, 1 and 3 are equal, that is correct. And here, sorry, 2 and 3 are equal, that is correct. And the third one, 1 and 4 are equal. So you can say both B and C are true. Correct option is option D. Next question, which of the following is one of the factors of this equation? That is, which is equal to, first we will do one by one. 32x square plus 48x plus 80. So here first you have to take here in these all these numbers 30 to 48 and 18, you can take the number 2 outside because 2 is common in all the numbers. You can take 2 outside. So what is left here? 16x square plus when we take from 48, when we take 2, then what is left inside, that is 24x plus, and from 18 when we take 2 outside, what is left? It is 9 is left. Okay, so this is what is. So 2 is here, and here by splitting the middle term we can find out the factors. So middle term is 24. So when we split this, we will get 16x square plus 12x plus 12x plus 9. Okay, so which is equal to, when we take the factors, okay, when we take 4x outside, what is 2? Here it is there constant, that is 4x outside. From this, what we will get, when we take 4x outside, 4x plus 3 is left inside, and plus when we take 3 from this, we will get 4x plus 3. Okay, so which is equal to, we can write 2 into 4x plus 3 the whole square. This is the factor of first one. Next, we will find out the second one, that is 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Okay, so by splitting also we can do, here we can split the middle term. So when we split the middle term, we can find out the factors will become 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. Okay, so that we can write it at 2x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so this is the second one. And the third one, which is 8x square plus 18x plus 9. So here when we split the middle term, we can get 8x square plus 18, we can split it as 6x plus 12x plus 9 is there. So which is equal to, when we take 2x outside from this, we can take 2x outside. So what is left? 4x plus 3 is left. And from here, 3 into 4x plus 3 is left. So here the factor we will get, that is one factor will be 2x plus 3. That is this one, 2x plus 3. And one factor is 4x plus 3. Okay. Now we have to substitute these factors here. See here, the factor of first one is 2 into 4x plus 3, the whole square, into 2x plus 3, the whole square, second one. And the third one in the denominator, it is 2x plus 3 into 4x plus 3. So here, 1 for 2x plus 3 and 1 2x plus 3 is cancelled. 1 for x plus 3 and 1 for x 3 plus 3 is cancelled. So what is left? 2 comma 4x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 are the factors of factors. Okay, 3 factors are there. So any factors matching with our options? Yes. 4x plus 3 is matching with our option. So correct option is option A, 4x plus 3. Next question, find the value of 1 plus, we have to find. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to cross multiply this. So when we cross multiply this, we will get 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1. 1 into x plus 1. Okay, so when we cross multiply, we will get x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, like that. So this will become what? X plus 2 by x plus 1. Okay, x plus 2 by x plus 1. Like this, all the things you have to cross multiply. So here we will get x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 3 by x plus 2 into, next one you will get x plus 4 into x plus 3 and x plus, last one, x plus 5 plus divided by x plus 4. So this is the one you will get when you cross multiply. So here you can see this one and this one will get cancelled off, and x plus 3 and x plus 3 will get cancelled off. This one and this. So what is left here? Only x plus 5 in the numerator and x plus 1 in the denominator. And this is what is our answer. The correct answer is option A, x plus 5 by x plus 1. Next question, see, we have to find out, simplify this. So here, first what we will do is, we will write the like terms together. Okay, so here a square by 2, and here a square by 3, and here 3a square by 4. Okay, so a square by 2, okay, a square by 2 plus a square by 3 minus 3a square by 4. And next terms, b cube by 3 3b cube by 4 and b cube by 2. b cube by 3 minus 3b cube by 4 plus b cube by 2. Next one, minus 3c cube by 4 plus 3c cube by 2 plus 3c cube by 3. Okay, so this is when we combine all the terms. So here you can see 2, 3, 4, and here also it is 2, 3, 4, and here also 2, 3, 4 in the denominator. So we have to take the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. So the LCM of least common multiple of 2, 3, 4 is what is 12. 12 is the least common multiple of 2, 3, and 4. Here you can write, so this equation will become what? 6a square plus 4a square minus 9a square by 12, and this will become 4b cube minus 9b cube plus 6b cube divided by 12, and this last one, this will become minus 9c cube plus 6c cube plus 4c cube divided by 12. Okay. Now in this we have to take the a cube when we take outside. It is common in all. So 6 plus 4 minus 9 by 12, which is equal to 8 square by 12 only, because 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 1 9 is 1 only. Next one, 4 minus, when we take the b cube outside, so 4 minus 9 plus 6 by 12, and which is equal to b cube by 12 only. Okay. Here we will get 1 only. Here, when we take c cube outside, this will be 9 minus 9 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 12. That will also become 6 cube by 12. So we get a square plus b cube plus c cube by 12. Okay. Which is, so the answer is, when we add all these, we will get this answer. That is, we can, denominator is same for everything, all the identity. So a square plus b cube plus c cube divided by 12 is the correct answer. Next question, divide rupees 8,000 into two parts such that if one part to be lent at 7.5% per annum for 2 years and the other part at 8% per annum for 3 years, the total simple interest received is rupees 1,416. So here what we have to find out, here the 8,000 rupees is divided into two parts. Okay, one part it is lent at 7.5% per annum for 2 years, and other part is at 8% per annum for 3 years. Okay, and after that the total simple interest received is rupees 1,416. Okay, and we have, first what we have to find here, we have to find out the what will be the principal amount in these two cases, that we have to find out. Okay, so we don't know the two part, we are dividing the two parts. So let the parts be x. Okay, one part be x, then other part will be what? X, and other part will be 8,000 minus x, because we are dividing 8,000 rupees to two parts, right? If one part, suppose we are taking it as x, the other part will be 8,000 minus x. So first part, it is x is lent at 7.5% per annum. 7.5, when we convert it to normal fraction, this will become 15 by 2. Okay, 7 into 2, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 when we convert into normal fraction. So 15 by 2% it will be. Okay, so first interest, how can we calculate interest 1? I'm taking it as I1, that is interest 1, simple interest. So formula is P into N into R by 100. Okay, the principal amount we don't know, so we have to take it as X. X into number of rate of interest, it is 15 by 2. 15 by 2, and here number of years it is 2 divided by 100. So when we do this, what we will get, 15x by 100. Minus x is the principal amount we have taken. So 8,000 minus x into 8% per annum into number of years is 3 divided by 100. So this we will get, which is equal to, this will become when we multiply inside. So 8,000 minus x into 8 3s are 24 divided by 100. So which is equal to 8,000 into 24, it is 19200. 0 minus 24x divided by 100, or which is equal to, here we have to calculate. Here the simple interest is given for 2 years, that is 1416, right? So here 1000, here when we take 192000 divided by 100 minus 24x by 100. So this will get cancelled off. This will become what? 1920 minus 24 by 100. This is 0.24x. So this is our second one. So here we have to add interest 1 plus interest 2. Total interest, because total interest is given as rupees 1416. Okay. So interest 1 plus interest 2 is 1416. So which is equal to, we can write it as interest 1, we get it as 15x by 100, 15x by 100 plus 1920 minus 0.4. Second interest is equal to 1416 rupees. Okay, so which is equal to 15 by 100x. Okay, we will take the x together. 0.24x, we can write it as minus 24 by 100x to make the subtraction easier, plus 1920, which is equal to 1416. Or here we can write it as, which is equal to 15 by 100x minus 24 by 100x, which is equal to minus 9 by 100x. Okay, minus 9 by 100 plus 1920 is equal to 1416 rupees. So which is equal to, we will get minus 9 by 100. When we take 1920 to the right side, we will get minus 504. When we subtract it with 1460, so x is also there, which is equal to minus 9x is equal to minus 50400. That is, we take this 100 to the right side, which is x will become minus 50400 divided by minus 9. So which is equal to x, we will get 5600 rupees. So 5600 rupees is the first symbol, first principal amount. If we have divided from 8000, right? So if one is 5600, so another one will be what? 8000 minus 5600. So we will get the next amount will be 2400, because 8000 minus 5600. That is what is 2400 rupees. Okay. So the correct option is option A, 5600 and 2400. Next question, we have to find out the value of x if it is here. So here you can see this one is divide, and here you can see multiplication, and here this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is given by a raised to m by a raised to n. And a raised to m into a raised to n is given by a raised to m plus n. Sorry, this one is a raised to m minus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n. This is a raised to m minus n. And multiplication, we have to add a raised to m plus n. And this one, a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m n, m into n. This is the formula. So by using this formula, we can solve this. So first, this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So this will become what? Minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to m minus n. So m minus n means x plus 5 minus minus 2x plus 3. Okay. So when we solve this, this will become what? Minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to 3x plus 2. Okay. And what about this one? Yes, next we will solve this. This one, minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to minus 2, the whole raised to x plus 4. So a raised to m, the whole raised to n. Okay, that will become a raised to mn. We have to multiply. Minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to minus 2 into x plus 4. So this will become what? Minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so in the next case, that is next one, that is we have to, this one we get the answer, and this one also we get the answer. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to multiply this with this. Okay, that is, that will become what? A raised to m plus n. So here we will give the value minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to 2x plus 5 plus minus 2 minus 2x minus 8. We have to do the plus, because a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. This one we have already get here, and we have to give this one and this one. We have to multiply. So this will become m plus n here. Okay, this is minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to. When we do this, we will get 2x and 2x will get cancelled off. That is plus and minus. 5 minus 8, it is minus 3. Okay, so here you can write 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. So here we get minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to 3x plus 2. And this side we get minus 3 by 11, the whole raised to minus 3. So we can write 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 3. So which is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 3, or 3x is equal to minus 3 minus 2, or x is equal to minus 5. 3x is equal to minus 5, or x is equal to minus 5 by 3. So the correct option is option B, that is minus 5 by 3. Next question, multiply the quotients obtained by dividing this. Okay, so we have to divide this number with this and this with this, and we have to multiply the quotient obtained. Okay, so first we will do this one. Okay, 24 into x raised to 4 y cube z cube. Okay, so in these, when you see this, you can take which one you can take outside. What is common here that you have to check. Okay, here you can see x cube, y cube and z cube is common in these three. X cube, y cube and z cube. Okay, so we can take x cube, y cube and z cube outside. X cube into y cube into z cube outside. So what is left inside? So left x plus z plus y is left. And we have to divide this with what? 8 into x cube, y cube and z cube. Okay. So this one and this one will get cancelled off. This one and this one 3 times. So we get here 3 into x plus y plus z. So this is our first quotient. Next one, when you examine here, see this one. Okay. This one, by splitting the middle term, we can find out the factors of this. Okay. So 25xyz into 6x square plus 13x plus 5. Okay. When we split the middle term and when we find out the factors, we will get one factor, it is 3x plus 5, and one factor will be 2x plus 1 when we split the middle term, and that is to be divided by 5 into 3x plus 5. Okay, so here 3x plus 5 and 3x plus 5 and 5 times from 25 get cancelled off. Second one, we will get 5 into x plus z into 2x plus 1. Here now we have to multiply this with this quotient with this quotient. So when we multiply 5 into 3, it is 15. And what is left? 15 xyz, and x plus y plus z is left. Then 2x plus 1 is left. So this is the quotient obtained when we multiply these two quotients together. So correct option is option D, 15 xyz into x plus y plus z into 2x plus 1. Next question, 11th. How many faces does the given figure have? So this figure, when you see how many faces, you have to check. So here you can see these are all the faces that we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one also is also a faces. Okay. And this side also it will be there. Its side. Okay. So there are many faces. So here this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 into 3. Okay. That is 12. Okay. So the faces we can see is more, okay, and none of the options, that is for not 14 and not 15 and not 13 only, okay. So the option will be none of these. You have to count the faces. How many cubes are left here? Okay, with that you have to find out the faces here. How many faces are there? Okay, so here the options are not matching here 14, 15 or 13. So the options will be none of these. Next question, find the value of this. Okay, if we have to find the value, like here, from here we will start. Okay, 49. Root 49 is what? 7. Okay, then we have to add this 7 to 29. When we add 7 to 29, we will get 29 plus 29 plus 7. Okay, 29 plus 7, it will become 36. Okay, again we have to root of 36 is what? We will get root of 36. Again, root 36 is 6. Okay, so 19 plus 6, we have to add that. So 19 plus 6, it will become 25, root 25. Root 25 is 5 again. So we have to add that 5 to 11 again. So it will become 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5, it is again 16. we have to find out the root of 16. Root of 16 is again 4. Then we have to add this with 5 again. 5 plus 4. Root of 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So root of 9. Last, we have to find the root of 9. Okay, nothing is left here. So root of 9 is 3 only. So this portion we will get the answer 3. So here same here also. We will start from here. Root of 10,000 it is 100 only. When we add 100 with this 44 we will get 144. Again 144 is root of 12. Then we have to add this 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is again root 16 which is equal to 4 only. So second portion we will get 4. So here we have to just easy only 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is what is 12. Correct option is option D, that is 12. Next question, find the value of P plus QF. So here you can see minus 1 the whole raised to 205. Here minus 1 the whole raised to 202. So you can see here 205 it is an odd number. When a negative number is multiplied with odd number of times, we will get the negative number only. And when a negative number it is multiplied with odd, okay, when negative 1 is multiplied even number of times, we will get 1. When it is multiplied odd number of times, we will get minus 1. Here they are asked to add. P is this, Q is this. So here we have P is equal to minus 1 and Q is equal to 1. When we add this minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Correct option is option C, 0. Next question, while solving the problem, Samida squared a number and then subtracted 25 from it rather than she required. Okay, first subtracting 25 from the number, then squaring it, but she got the correct answer. So what was the correct answer? So while solving a problem, what Samida did, she squared a number, then subtract 25. But actually what she want to do, she has to first subtract 25, then square it. But in two cases, she get the correct answer. We have to find what was that number. Okay, so let us assume number Bx. Let us take the number Bx. So first what she did, she squared that number, then subtract 25, right? So which is equal to x square minus 25 and instead of x square minus 25 the whole square. Okay, in these two cases the answer is same. So we can put an equal here because in these two cases answers are same only. So this will be equal to this one. So here this is in the a minus b the whole square format. Okay, using the identity a minus b the whole square, which is equal to, when we expand, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can expand this, which is equal to x square minus 50x plus 25 square is 625. Okay, so which is equal to x square minus 25, which is equal to x square minus 50x plus 625. Or we can cancel this x square. When we take to right side, it will still cancel. We can cancel this. So which is equal to, we can write it as minus 25 is equal to minus 50x plus 625. Or when we take 50x minus 25 is equal to 625, we can write. Or 50x is equal to, when we take 25 to right side, it will become 625 plus 25, it is 650. Or x we will get 650 by 50. When we cancel, this will become 30. So the number was 13 only. Okay, so correct option is option A, that is 13. Next, a star is 8.1 into 10 raised to 13 kilometer away from the Earth. Suppose the light travels at the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer per second. How long will it take light from star to reach the Earth? So here you can see a star is this kilometer away from this distance. Okay, this is what is our distance here. So here we have to find out how long will it take from take light from star to reach the Earth. How long we have to calculate the time here. Okay, so the formula to find out the time, which is equal to distance by speed. So distance by speed, which is equal to, distance is given as, yes, 8.1 into 10 raised to 13 kilometer. And here speed of light is given as 3.0 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer per second. Okay, so here we will find out the time. We will calculate the time. Time is given by speed, distance by speed. So distance we have 8.1 into 10 raised to 13 and time we have 3.0 into 10 raised to 5. So which is equal to 8.1 into 10 raised to 13. 8.1 by 3.0, we will get the answer 2 raised to 2.7 into this one. We can do a raised to m by a raised to n. It will become 10 raised to 13 minus 5. So 13 minus 5, it is 10 raised to 8 only. So 10 raised to 8 second. Here this is given in seconds, but we have to convert this into hour. Okay. To convert seconds into hour, 1 minute is 60 seconds and 1 hour means 60 minutes. So to convert into hour, what we have to do here, 2.7 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 3600, because 60 into 60. 60 into 60 seconds per hour. So which is equal to, we will get 2.7 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 3.6 into 10 raised to 3. So we can adjust here zeros 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and here we put a decimal. So this will become 10 raised to 3. To adjust our zeros to 2.7 by 3.6, we will get 0.75 into 10 raised to 5. Or when we can adjust, so this will become 10 raised to, when we multiply with 110, so this will become 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4. Okay. So this is 10 raised to 4 hours. So this is the time. So correct option is option B, 7.5 into 10 raised to 4 hours.